If you ask the average millionaire how they build their wealth, there's one word you will hear over and over again: real estate. It's not hype, it's not luck. Real estate has created more millionaires than any other asset class, and today we are breaking down how the millionaire map really works, step by step. How you can start building real wealth. Most people think you need a lot of money to get into real estate, and that's the first myth. The truth is, you need knowledge, a strategy, a leverage. Wealthy people don't buy property with their own money, they use other people's money, whether it's enough mortgage, partnerships, or creative financing. The rich understand that depth, when used correctly, it is a tool that escalates truths. Real estate creates wealth in four powerful ways. First is appreciation. Over time, property values go up. It's not always a straight line, but the long term trend favors who hold real estate. You buy a property today, and in 10 years, it could be worth double. That's tax advantage growth just for owning something in the right location. Second, this cash flow. When you rent out a property and the rent covers your expenses with money left over, that's monthly income. Rich investors love cash flowing real estate because it puts money in their pocket every single month. Unlike stocks where you might wait for gains, real estate can pay you consistently. Third, you have got loan pay down. When you finance a property with a mortgage, your tenant is effectively paying off your loan for you each month. The balance goes down while your equity goes up. It's like a forced saving plans, but one where someone else is contributing. And fourth, tax advantages. Real estate offers massive tax benefits, things like depreciation, 1031 exchanges, and expenses write offs. Millionaires don't just make money, they keep more of it by understanding the tax code. This is why real estate is a favorite among the wealthy. Now, the real secret of millionaire map is just buying one property. It's scaling. One property leads to two, then five, then a portfolio. As the equity builds, investors refinance, pull cash out tax free, and reinvest in more property. This snowballs wealth faster than almost anything else. It's not about flipping homes for fresh cash. It's about building long-term generational wealth. Real estate is not get rich quick scheme. It's get rich for sure plan. If you follow the map, stay consistent and play the long game. If you want to escape the paycheck to paycheck circle, real estate is one of the most proven paths to financial freedom. Start small, think big, and don't wait. Wealthy people build, and they build with property.